What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here with another video. I hope you guys are staying home, keeping yourself safe, and keeping your loved ones safe as well. So today I decided to switch gears a little bit and do something a little different. Due to this mandatory quarantine, I decided to start trying out some wheel swaps. So I want to give a shout out to Rivera for teaching us how to do it. Check out his YouTube. You know, he's got some very good videos on how to swap out wheels. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. This is the Dodge Challenger. So there we go, guys. Pretty cool piece. This one originally came with plastic wheels, and it had a blue trim around the wheel. So, you know, I decided to give it a new look, and as you can see, it turned out quite alright. Next one up is a mod rod. This one also came with the boring plastic wheels, you know, with the gold rim. So decided to give it an upgrade. So there you go, pretty cool. The next one up is the 56 Ford custom pickup truck. Very nice. I also added a little detail on the headlights. As you can see, I painted some headlights just to give it a cooler look, at least in my opinion. Next one up, we got another Charger or Challenger. Let me make sure here. Yeah, Dodge Charger. Sorry guys, these cars, the Challenger and the Charger look pretty similar. So yeah, this one is pretty cool. So what I did on this one, I grabbed the wheels from the Camaro from the new Boulevard set and put them on this one. So you guys could tell me what you think, but in my opinion, it looks pretty darn cool. Next one up is a Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Check this out. Pretty cool. The only thing I don't like about this casting is the chrome interior and the chrome layer there on the bed. I wish they would have kept it nice black, but hey, it is what it is. It's still a cool casting. I also painted the headlights just to make it look a little better. And last but not least, got the Scooby-Doo Mystery Machine. As you can see, I painted the headlights white. I went with a smaller tire, and I painted the I messed up on this one a little bit. I painted the rear lights as well. But like I said, guys, I mean, you got to start somewhere, and this is how you learn. So hopefully I'll do a better job next time. And it was also my very first wheel swap. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments which one you like the most. You guys take care. Hopefully we could get through this horrible pandemic as soon as possible, so that we could all get back to what we love doing most, which is going out and hunting for cool pieces. So alright guys, God bless, take care, and I'll see you guys next time.